Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to change the date and time settings on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, date and time, and here we can change our date and time. To change date and time, you have to disable this use network provided time feature. Here you can set up your date. Here you can set up your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this feature, automatic time zone. And here you can select, first you select your region, then you select your time zone. You can also change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. Or you can just use local default time format. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.